Hi guys, my name is Johan and I'm back with a new video in which I want to discuss with you about Uni, the governance token of Uniswap, because they've announced the version 3. Uniswap V3 will be available from May, guys, and we will see together what they want to implement in version 3, the most waiting version for Uniswap. There were rumors about it since the beginning of the year and since the launch of Uni token. We will see what they are bringing new on the table. But first, let's take a short look on the market today. Not much movement in Bitcoin, 1.1% to the upside at the current recording, but we are seeing a lot of red in the markets, 0.2% to the downside in Ethereum, and Binance 0.7%. Not much movement in the past 24 hours. Let's see the gainers of the day. Anchor 39.6% to the upside, Theta Network 33.1%, Curve DAO token 25%, Ontology 20%. So nice gainers in the market in the last 24 hours. The loser is Dent, 28.8% to the downside, Voyager token 9.6% to the downside, and Uniswap 8.6% to the downside. Unfortunately, I guess not many people received well the version 3 update. I think many, me included, expected more changes that will bring less fees on Uniswap version 3. Unfortunately, that problem will not be solved yet, from what I've seen in their post. So, according to their last update, Uniswap version 3 will be launched on May 5th. Let's see what version 3 will bring. Concentrated liquidity, giving individual liquidity providers granular control over what price ranges their capital is allocated to. Individual positions are aggregated together into a single pool, forming one combined curve for users to trade against. Other things, multiple fee tiers, allowing a liquidity provider to be appropriately compensated for taking a varying degree of risk. So they are concentrating mostly on the liquidity providers. So V3 will make Uniswap one of the most flexible and efficient automatic money maker, they are saying. Liquidity provider can provide liquidity with up to 4,000x capital efficiency relative to Uniswap V2, earnings higher returns on their capital. As I said, they are focusing on the liquidity providers. Uniswap oracles are now far easier and cheaper to integrate. Even with this groundbreaking design improvement, the gas cost of V3 swaps on Ethereum mainnet is slightly cheaper than V2. So this, I think, will not please many users. Slightly cheaper, not a lot more cheaper. This is what people want, cheaper gas fees. This is why PancakeSwap and Binance Smart Chain are taking the lead, because a lot of people are unhappy paying these high fees, $50 fee for a simple transaction, for a simple swap, guys. So as you can see, they are saying that V3 swaps will be slightly cheaper. Transaction made on the Optimism deployment will likely be significantly cheaper. We'll see when they will implement version 3 in May if the transactions will be significantly cheaper or not. I guess this is why the price dropped, as you can see, 7.3% in the last 24 hours, because they released the V3 improvements. Uni was an all-time high of 35.88, but after they released the article and people saw that the improvements will come later in May, and not significantly decrease of gas fees. I think this was the catalyst of this little dump of 13% in the last 24 hours. So I think we will see together what will happen exactly when the version 3 will come in May. And I think now, from my point of view, Uni will remain at this price range or even lower, because people were expecting improvements for lower fees. On their page we are seeing $4.69 billion. Yeah, I think DeFi policy is behind with their updates. That makes Uniswap the winner from DEXes. And as you can see, the king of DEXes is still Uniswap. It has 1,769 coins, guys, and one of the biggest volume in trading. So still Uniswap is the biggest DEX in the space. PancakeSwap is coming fast behind, and SushiSwap. 1 inch is not exactly a DEX, is a DEX aggregator, so 1 inch is taking the best price from all DEXes and gives the user the best price to trade his asset. So still Uniswap has a lot to give, and we will see if this V3 update will make Uniswap even better or not. But I think if they are not decreasing with this update a lot the fees, they will lose from popularity, because people want cheaper fees. We will see together how things will play out with Uniswap. Still the chart looks very nice, as you can see here on 1st March it was trading around $21 when it hit the 200 EMA, and then it pulled back towards $34, and yesterday we hit the all-time high of 35.88. So now if it falls lower, it will hit the 200 EMA around $28. we'll see if this support will hold. So watch this 200 EMA. If it will hit and bounce back, then the trend will continue to the upside to new all-time high. We'll see if Uni will continue until the release of V3 to go to upside, or people are upset because not major fees decrease news are not in the table. The next major support is around $21. So if we break this 200 EMA, we can see lower prices, guys. So the next major support, if we break this 28 to 29 zone, is between $21 and $20, as you can see. So we will see, guys, what will happen with the price of Uni. As I've shown you, still Uniswap is the king of DEXes, and it has a lot of popularity. Me included, I am using Uniswap even if these gas fees are extremely high. But yeah, we all are waiting for lower fees with the Ethereum 2.0. But we do have an alternative. You guys can try Matic Network. Quick swap, as I've shown you in my previous videos, has almost zero fees, and I think it is a good alternative for lower fees if you do not like Binance Smart Chain. So guys, this was my video for today. This is Uniswap, still the king of DEXes, with more than $4.69 billion in liquidity, guys. Volume higher than $1 billion in trading. Still Uniswap delivered one of the biggest airdrops in the crypto space. So look at this, guys. If you have held your 400 Uni tokens, you could have gained $12,000, more than $12,000 at the current recording, at this price of $30.87. But like I said, the all-time high was at 35.88, so almost $36. So you could have made a lot of free money if you had the free Uni tokens given to all users. So guys, this was my video for today. I hope you like the content that I provide, and if so, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. So I will try to come back with a new video in which I will bring new projects for you to keep an eye on. See you guys in another video. Bye.